Hi, I'm Sue from Eating Psychology UK, and I help people all over the world to change the way they eat. So whether you're an overeater and you'd like to learn how to say no to eating too much, or whether you're just finding it difficult to eat the way you want, I can help you. And I'm delighted to be here with Rachel Papworth, the online professional organiser.
Yes, hi everyone. I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, and I'm the online professional organiser. I liberate busy people like you from the shackles of clutter and disorganisation, so you get peace of mind and achieve whatever you want.
So Rachel's here today because we've been doing some work together and we keep noticing parallels in what we do.
Like, we both address overconsumption.
That's right. Too much stuff and too much food. It's all clutter. It's all overconsumption, amassing too much stuff. It's making us obese both literally with our bulging bodies and figuratively with our bulging houses.
And just like you can't clear your clutter backlog overnight, you can't transform your body overnight. And for your great results to last, you need to change your habits long term.
So, having noticed these similarities, we decided to introduce each other to our subscribers. And Rachel's got a fantastic special offer to share with you.
Yes, I'm making my Declutter Paper and Paperwork video course available to you at a fantastic discount. Paperwork's everyone's nemesis. And this course shows you how to make dealing with all paper that comes into your home a doddle. And I've given Sue a discount code so you can get 45% off lifetime access to the whole course.
That's a really good deal, and all you have to do to get it is to click the link below.
And even if you've missed the discount, don't worry, because you can still get my free 7-part video course, The 7 Biggest Clutter Clearing Mistakes and How to Avoid Them.
The link for that is below too, so click on it now.